Ashu. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So in today's video I would be talking about two self-care apps and two productivity apps which I have on my phone, and they are tremendously useful and helpful. So if this is the year where you vow to get more done, be more productive and yet take good care of yourself, then make sure that you download these apps that I'm talking about in today's video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now there are so many productivity apps that's available on your phone which will help you to get through the work related troubles. Also there are so many self-care apps which will help you to take care of yourself. I will be talking about a few of them, the ones which I use and I find them absolutely helpful, and also watch till the end if you want to know more about these applications. Now thanks to the larger screens and high processing softwares, your mobile can be your mobile workstation, and you can download so many productivity applications which will help you do more work in less time and also be productive at the same time. And boosting your productivity through technology is one of the best ways to hack your professional career. But there is a problem. There are so many productivity applications that are available right now on your phone, and you may be a little confused as to which one to download, and this is where this video will help you, and I will help you get through these applications which I have in my phone. So let's talk about the applications first. Now the first productivity app that I have on my phone is known as Todoist. Now Todoist is a very popular to-do list application which will help make things and work done easily. So Todoist is a handy companion for doing your work in an efficient way and also to get more things done in a lesser amount of time. In Todoist there are separate sections where you can organize all your projects and to-do lists. Also you can add quickly all your files into the sections that you have made, and these are tremendously helpful in the sense that you can choose whichever project you want to work on, and this makes the whole process much more easier. I'm using Todoist for a long time, and it helps me to be more productive, to be more efficient in the work that I do. Now you can easily organize your tasks and also prioritize your tasks so that you know which one you have to work on next, and this helps you to save a lot of time. So in that way it's very productive. Also you have all the folders and all the files in a particular app that you can just open, and everything is right in front of you. Also you will be able to review all your tasks, all your upcoming tasks, and you can access the files from wherever you are. So these are the things which I feel that are very good, and this has helped me a lot, and that's why I just thought that I should share this with you. The second application which I have started using from last year is known as Redbox. So all of us at one point of time have problems with organizing and keeping track of the receipts that we have for our household items, for the items that we buy. We face a lot of problems with the bundles of manuals that we have, tracking warranty, then the phone numbers of the service centers and everything. And Redbox is the only answer to that, where you can keep all your receipts, and it will be safe, will be stored there. So whenever you want, you can open the app and you will have access to all the informations related to the warranty, to receipts, to everything that you buy. So this is the app which will bring everything in one place. So this is the app which would bring them all together in one place, and you can just find any of the informations, any of the warranty cards, any of the receipts at any point of time. And this app will help you find the exact information that you're looking for, and it will be hassle free. This is also very convenient when you have to share details with another person. So there are 3 steps to organize. Step number 1 is you can register using your email ID or using Google or FB. Step number 2 is add a property or more. Step number 3 is scan the receipts and add a product. So it is as simple as that. This is so convenient and so useful. I always use this application so that I don't have to be bothered about all the receipts that I have for my phone, for the things that I buy, personal stuff, everything. So this is absolutely awesome. This application is completely free, so please download the application and explore the application more. And I think that this will help you in so many ways, and it will save a lot of time. Now, coming to the self-care applications. Self-care applications are applications which will help you in taking care of your mind, body, soul, and also will help you to meditate. So I have a few self-care applications, and I will talk about two of them which I find are very helpful. So the number one is known as Headspace. Headspace is an application which will teach you how to meditate. Now, I have always talked about meditation. That is the first thing that I try to do in the morning, and it makes my day so much better. For the past 1 year, I know how important it is to meditate, and I try to meditate at least for 15 minutes, and this application has helped me a lot in that. You can use this application on your phone, on your tablet, and you can listen to the meditation sessions on the go, and also you can download the sessions so that you can listen to it offline. Headspace boasts of a broad and plentiful library of meditation sessions, and there are so many sessions to choose from. You can get over your stress, your anxiety. These meditation sessions are so good for your mind and your body. This application teaches you light meditation techniques. The sleep content on Headspace is a nice perk where you can actually listen to these meditation sessions before you doze off, and it will have a calm and soothing feeling, and you will doze off easily. So if you have sleeping pattern problems, or if you have anxiety issues, then of course you can take help of this application, and I have got a lot of help. I have used myself these applications, and I have got good results from these, and that's why I am sharing this with you. And the last self-care application that I would be talking about is known as Question Diary. Now, Question Diary will give you a particular question every day. These are very basic, simple questions. And you may prefer to answer or not to, but if you answer, then after 1 year maybe the same question they will repeat on the app, and you will definitely give a different answer, but the answer to the last year will be stored in the application. You can go back and look at how you were feeling that day, and it's like a journal, it's like a diary which you will have on your phone. You can look through the answers that you have already written, and you know how much you have grown, how much you have evolved through the years. So I am using this for the past 6 months, and I know that I have poured my heart out on this application. It's like a journal to me. I also write separately in a diary, as I've talked about, because I feel that journaling is very important to let out your stress and to let out your thoughts, and that is important. But I feel that all the time, we don't get the time or the space to write down our thoughts. So this is a very good substitute for that. The questions that they will ask will prompt you to think, and then you can answer them. These are very basic questions. If they ask you a question like, are you happy? So these are the kinds of questions which will help you to think, and also will help you to evaluate your emotions and your thoughts. These are very everyday questions which no one actually asks you, and until and unless someone asks you, you don't actually think about them. So that's why these questions are so special. But these questions are also very important, and it's very important to know whether you're happy every day, whether you're grateful every day. These questions also force you to intentionally think about stuff that you don't think normally. And when they put out the question on the application, you can write in the space given below, and you can pour your heart out, and no one is going to judge you, no one is going to read it. You are going to read it after a point of time, and you can judge, and you can evaluate your thought process, you can evaluate yourself, how much you have grown. And this is what I like about this application. It is so unique. It has really helped me to reflect on myself. So I feel that these are the few applications you should also try out. Let me know if you've already tried out any of these applications. Also, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment below See you in my next video. Take care of yourself, be positive, be happy, and be blessed.